Alright guys, and welcome to a new episode. Today we're going to try something different. To be honest, as you know, the actual channel is not anymore an open source channel, but my server cloud. Because of the lack of the content, and we're working on some stuff that we cannot show on the actual channel yet. So the last video was done about 3 weeks ago, just about 4 weeks ago. So I said I'm bored and I'm going to do something online, and I was trying to search some stuff to do, and I said, why not doing something that I have done? Perhaps coding live and create something. Just code something. And I came across the old game PONG, if you remember. And I thought, it could be something done in HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I don't want to do something, like how can I say, something that's going to take me time. I want to do something like this kind of a image there. Let's have a look here. PONG. Just create this part full screen if I can. And perhaps not even with all the lines, just with the score or something. Yeah, what I'm going to do, just program, enjoy it. It's not going to be so much of talking. So technically all you're going to do is just see me coding, and if I finish in time, I'm going to publish the video, I'm going to upload the files on GitHub. So you can download it for free, okay? So yeah, enjoy it. I'm going to put some music in the background, hopefully. And yeah, that's all, really. That's all, that's it. I don't know what to say. Right, I already got something running up in localhost here. I'm running UW AMP. This is running PHP 7. The Apache is on the offline mode. It's not online, so it's only locally. There is not much of a configuration for the PHP or MySQL or whatever. But again, we're only going to use HTML and JavaScript. We are not going to use PHP. Okay. So I already got localhost up and running, as you can see on the browser, and we already got some folders there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can get. There we go. This is what I got here. I go www my app. Now if I go here, that's my app there. So it's the actual virtual host. I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to call it PONG. Now if I go here and refresh the page, I should see PONG. Here we go. So here we go. We got this page. So let me close this. We don't need this anymore. I don't even know why I open it up. I'm going to minimize this. I got so much things open here. Yeah. Give me 2 seconds. Let me open this a sec. I know you're not seeing anything, but oh, we go. Yeah, I got that one there. All right, I want to just make sure I'm still recording. I'm going to use a Sublime. I just downloaded the valuation one. Just installed it today, the portable one. Well, not installed, I haven't installed anything, it's portable. Yeah, it's unregistered. I don't like to do things like this, but I don't have anything proper to code. I don't usually code, to be honest with you. And again, guys, I'm not a coder, so if I make a mistake, bear with me, alright? again, this is going to be full thing. I'm not going to cut anything, hopefully. This is another thing, I never really use this. I tell you what, let me remove this. So here we go. Let me remove this and let me open something else. There we go. All right, so let's start with this. And I'm going to call this one here. Okay, so we got the new. Let me minimize this as well. I don't need that. Okay, let me do the other way around. So I'm going to leave it like that. Okay, so let's do it this way. I'm going to create new files and I'm starting. The idea is to create 3 files: a CSS, an HTML, and a JavaScript. And then perhaps I'm going to download some fonts. Then I can actually try to find those retro fonts if I can find them. True type fonts, maybe. I'm going to download and I'm going to use that. So anyway, let's go and let's start without any delay. Now this one I don't have an autocomplete, so I gotta write everything. So right. I'm gonna do English or anything else. That's why I use Sublime. I download Sublime because I want to autocomplete. Otherwise, this is gonna take me ages. I mean, I know that you can use autocomplete. I mean, I never use this because, as I said, guys, I don't do programming. Let me have a look at something. Let's save this a second. Of course, I can do HTML. Where are we? PHP there. Logically, we gotta have a look here. Now, is it going to save it? How can I see this now? Yes, okay. So that it should go automatically. Okay. So we know what we're doing. CSS should be cascade, cascade, cascade. Come on. You can see that I've never used this kind of programs or any other program, to be honest with you. And I'm going to save that one as well. Let's see, I do script.js. If I leave it text, I wonder, does it save text? Let me have a look, because that's what they usually do. Oh no, it's alright. So I don't have to. Okay, that's good. So we got the 3 files, so let's start. Yeah. Right. I think I'm gonna do full. Should I do it? Let's do full screen. Let's do 95%. Yeah. Let's say device width. What am I doing? Let's put a title there. Now we're gonna, yeah, I'm going to attach the CSS and the JavaScript. That's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to link it. Real equal style style sheet. I think I'm on the right. Style sheet href equal again. Close that inside there. Let's call the name of the file is style.css. And I'm going to alright, let me do something else first. Let me save that, see if I can get it. I don't forget on any error here, but yeah, I don't think I got any error. So start sheet. Let's start with the font face. Font. Alright, for now I'm gonna put. Alright, let me have a look first. Bit font. Bit font. Right, I'm gonna load that. I'm looks like I gotta edit anyway. All right, download that. I'm gonna put 2 seconds, guys. All right, so what I've done, let me copy this one here, just download this. Let me copy it. So I just download a couple of them and see which one I'm going to use. I don't know yet. All right. So again, all the information in the description. Okay, guys. Let's go back. I'll make sure that I'm doing properly here. From family. This CSS, and this one. What the hell am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? That's why it's copy. Am I stupid or what? So which one is that? Okay, let's do it this way. Right, it's gonna be font. I think. Slash. And let's use this one here. Copy that. Because I'm lazy. Control V. Dot TGF. And let's say format. The format is true type. Yep. Let's do this. So let's close that. Control S. Let's say body here. Let's open another parenthesis. Close parenthesis. Let's say display. Let's say we want let's say flex for now. Say flex, we do flex. What's it called, the other one? Direction, I think it is. Color. In items. So we're going to align everything in the center. So the item, what I'm going to do, let's do 100% for now, VH. Margin, we're going to do 0 for now. We're going to change, you know, yeah, I'm going to change that after. The background, we're going to do Let's do black, of course. The color of the rest is going to be white, if I remember correctly. So let's say 3 Fs there, white. And the font, for this one I'm going to say font. And the font family, let's say, as usual, Arial. Sans serif. I think it's correct. I'm not even sure if it's correct. Control S. Do I get any error? No, I can't get error because I haven't put anything here. Yeah. What an idiot. Tell you what. Just in case you think what I'm doing on the other screen, what I'm trying to do here, just moving this up and down. So, because I'm having problems, somehow my screen goes blank, and I don't know why. I could pause and have a look the reason why, but anyway, let's go on. Let's do this. What's the ring? Giraffe. Let's do what's it called? This is Google. Can't remember what the address is. Google. What the hell am I doing? Come on. And I'll CSS to how that. I think, and then we do the swap thing. Yeah, I think so. I think, and then we attach the starship. I think. Let's do another one. So we're going to divide that top. Let's do a div. Let's call it scoreboard. Yeah, scoreboard. Let's say that. I'm gonna look the spelling later on anyway. Another div there. Dick, yeah, right. So we're gonna put the player, yeah, player score maybe. Should I? What am I doing again? Sync crap div. Alright, should I do it? Two people playing? It's gonna be odd, or player against the computer. That's easier with the computer. Yeah, let's do computer. Control S. I don't want to lose this. We're gonna create a canvas. Let's have an ID for the canvas. Let's say PONG canvas. Yep. Let's close that. And then let's add the JavaScript so we can test the JavaScript while we're doing it. So that's the reason why I done this first. Again, some people like to put it up here. I don't know if it's the right place to put it, the body on the end. It might be the, I'm not sure. I always put it in the body. And again, I'm not a coder, and you know, I do things for myself. I don't sell it. I don't do other for other people. I done things with WordPress, but yeah, not professionally. Right. What I do here, I learned it myself. I never done any courses or anything like that. So, how's it called? Script.js. Okay, script.js, and let's close it. Of course, I think. And for now, let's close the HTML as well. Why not? But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave a space just in case. Yeah. Let's do this, tell you what. No, I done something. Now I'm not sure if everything alright. For now we're gonna save it. Alright, I got what I wanted. Player and computer. Of course it's not, we had done nothing on CSS, so you know, so at least we have the HTML nearly done. Nearly. I'm not sure if it's, again I got no error, so it's pretty good. Thinking, what do I need? Anything else here? Let's start with the CSS. All right. Let me. You know what, I'm absolute. Copy that. Save that. CSS. What am I doing? I don't know. Let me close this one here. There we go. So it is this one here, fonts to type. Let me copy that. Let's save that. Copy that. Let's save it. I thought so. But if I do this, oh, okay. Maybe I didn't refresh. All right, let me create the scoreboard. We're gonna do exactly as above. Flex. Yeah, definitely gonna do that. I don't know, have I done this properly? This two, is that the way you do it? Why are they black and not blue? No idea. Okay. Let's do space. Let's do that. Okay. What is the percent? Then the max width. My screen is 1080. Let's do maybe 800 pixels, I don't know. Again, I'll do this now and then I'll change it if I have to. Top, I don't know, let's say 20, maybe 20 pixels. Let's do it the same again. So that technically 20 pixel on top, 20 pixel. But the body is 100, so technically it's gonna cover 100% of the screen, whatever we're using. I don't know if it's the correct way to do it. Let's say padding. I'm going to do 0 pixels. The padding. And then on the other side, I'm going to do 20 pixel. And the border, I'll tell you, let's do a box. Box, I think size it is. Size, no, you know what, I don't remember. 2 sec. Box sizing, okay. Box sizing. And we do border. I think it's box. I haven't done this for a long time. Guys, I don't remember. Should I put? Right, we got player and computer there. Give me just a second. F5, F11. They're still the same place, right? Because I haven't done this, I what no, same crap. Alright, tell you what, I'm gonna format now the score on top. See how I'm gonna do it. Player, see score, and compute the score. Where I'm at, guys, sorry about this. Yes, the ID, there we go. I always do the first one lowercase, and if it's 2 words, for example, player score, the second one I put uppercase. Something I usually do, okay? So yeah. Let's close down. Font. size. $20 pixel. I'm not sure if it's enough, but anyway. What I'm gonna do, okay, scoreboard. Tell you what. Adjust the fonts. Yeah, let's do this way. Okay. And the font family is going to be big font. That is the one we downloaded, right? So the font family big font, this one as well. Okay. We do sans serif. Should I do a sans serif? I know I'm not doing it properly. I'm not noting it properly, but bear with me. Now I'm going to create the canvas. Let's create the canvas for the table. Let's call it table. I think it's, did I put PONG canvas? Oh God. Here we go. PONG canvas. The background is going to be black again. Border, I'm gonna do 1 pixel. I think it's gonna be solid and it's gonna be white. The width of that we're gonna do 100%. Did I do VH? Yeah, we do VW this one. And the height, I think, with E. That's why we're gonna do 100, or should we go a little bit lower than that? Let's go. Yeah, more. Let's do 100. each with a 60 pixel around there. Yeah, it will be 60 pixel. Now this is the scoreboard height, okay? And that's 60 pixel, I think. What am I doing? I thought so. Control S. Let's see if we change anything. Right. So we got the line, eh? What do I? Why? So we do have the correct fonts. I don't like those fonts. I think the. Let me go back here. All right, let's change that. 28. Save that. All right, it looks much better, bigger. Okay. Top hasn't changed there, so you know what? I'm thinking something wrong with these two and this one here as well. I'm looking at it and I'm thinking, what's wrong with it? Can you spot the error there? Is there any error? I'm sure that's what it is. Justify content. And then there's a line content to the center. I thought this one was center as well. The okay, tell you what. Right, tell you what, I got an idea. Let's start this one. This is gonna be a pain in the butt. Tell you what, I'm gonna put pause in here and I'll come back in a few seconds for you. But it's gonna be up to at least 2-3 minutes or 10 minutes for me. There we go, back. I just look a couple of things anyway. I'm going to make some changes in JavaScript, so that's the way I'm going to do it. So want to make sure it is. PONG canvas. I gotta go and always make sure I see, the right way to do it. I think it's player school. Let me copy that, otherwise it's never gonna be V. Let's change that computer score. Change that to computer score element. Yeah, I think so. Let me do this way. All right. Let player score be 0, I think it is. At computer total 0. Paddle width, paddle height, I think it is. And you gotta do ball size as well, aren't you? Ball. I forgot about the ball. Not sure if I done it correctly. Let's see if I got any issues here. Doesn't look like it. Function. Besides the canvas, let's see. Did we say 60? Where are we? There we go. So I need this now. Let's say canvas width is equal to the window in width, or the whatever screen we're using. Width. Yeah. And the height canvas is equal to the window again dot inner height. And I think we use 60. So paddle width is going to be 10. Paddle height is going to be equal to canvas, yeah, height divided by 6, more or less, and the both sides we always wanted to make sure, based on the actual size of the screen, you get it right. So let's say both size is equal to Canva. Should I do right? $40. Come on. Player equal parenthesis. That's X. Let's say Y is going to be canvas height. Yeah. Slash down. Y but light. copy that V. Let's change that to a computer. V. Let's change that to the player. Let's change that to the ball. So we got 3 items, don't we? So we got 2 sticks is the player computer, one is player, one is computer, and then we got a ball. Okay. So we do the other way around. Height, we do width. Tell you what. Yeah, not happy with that. Because it's the other way around, the way. So dy 0. Let's look at this one here now. And the size, I'm not sure if I done it properly. I was looking some notes as well, but how long we go here? God, it's already an hour. Ooh. I might make a pause. I pause it and I do another day. But anyway, we got most of it. Anyway, for you it's going to be a fraction of a second, and for me it's going to be at least a couple of days. So yeah, see you in a second. Alright, so 24, this is another day by the way, and 24, so what am I? Right, let's do this way. There we go. Not sure about the speed of the actual ball. That's a window. Sudden event. Let's put a. I'm gonna put a note here just in case I'm losing I'm not sure about this, but I'm going to put a note here. So this is where I'm going to draw all the elements for the game. So I'm going to pause it again a second. I'm going to have a look something up. I'm not sure about this, so I'll be on the other side of the monitor. So there we go. So it was correct. X, Y, W, H. I'm always going to check just in case if there's any error. Again, usually I go to this website, W3 Schools, or schools, as British people say. Yeah, it's pretty good actually. You know, you can find a lot of information, as well as the supported browsers. So yeah, it's pretty good. Let's have a look here. Okay, so I think I've done already draw ball somewhere. I think that's the way I've done it. Ball size. Ball speed. Draw ball, okay. That will be X, Y. What I'm doing? Y. Size and color. Oops. Oops. Copy that. Control. V. Y. Why the heck is this up here? Did I do this? Oh. Not that it makes any difference, but what I'm doing. Not. Well, sorry. Off by. Okay. Checking that he's not doing any errors. Nope. Okay, 314. Okay. I think the two paddles, the one on the left and the right, I don't know how to do it. Should I do with the scroll wheel? I just click, I don't know, let's do with a click, left mouse click. No pagos. No, what I'm doing. No pago. Function code. Let's call it paddle. Yeah. Let's open this. Let's close this. Paddle. Stop Y. I think it's plus. Minus. Yeah, plus this. Paddle. I think it's parenthesis. What the hell? Yeah. I am not sure about this. It's not giving me any errors, so F11. Sure, I got an idea. There's something there, I don't understand it. So CSS or HTML. Something is wrong here. Tell you what, got an idea. Let's change this one to 95. F11. Okay. We gotta do it in JavaScript, so okay. I'm not that good with CSS. Let me save this. Sure you don't want to see me doing all this. Tell you what, guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish it off, and then I'm gonna start. We are on 59, so I'm gonna put a pause in it, finish it off, and then I'm going line by line and explain. I think it's much easier than you waiting for me to do it. Alright guys, I finished. It took me about an hour and a half. Alright, so 59A. So we start over here, ball collision, top and bottom walls. We got the movement of the ball collision with the paddles, and the ball goes out of the bounds. Now if I go back here and I refresh, alright, let me control, there we go, now we got that. I haven't done this one yet, but as you can see, now I'm not clicking. I think I gotta go this way. Let me, there we go. So as you can see, now I'm going to change the speed of the audible because it's too slow really, but as you can see it works. Now if my mouse is over here it still works, but it's freely. I think I'm going to change it with scrolling wheel maybe. I don't know yet. See what happens. But yeah, it works, but I'm going to format it now. So yeah, I'm going to format it. So let's do, I don't need this anymore. I think the problem here is the CSS. I've done something with CSS, I don't know what, that really doesn't work properly. Again, anyone who knows how to do, how to program this, perhaps you already figured it out yourself, but let me have a look. Scoreboard, PONG canvas. I'm sure it's VW. It's not. Is that VH or VW? No, it's not. I think it's VW. I'm sure it's. Go back on this one here. I'm still not for the hell of it, I can't figure out why. Alright, I'm going to pause it and I'm going to try to analyze it and see, and then I'll come back and I'll tell you what the problem was. Alright, okay. Yeah, kind of a strange. If I go back and do now, if I save this again, this is what we had. So I redone it again. Let me do this, yeah, Control V. Yeah, here we go, here. So we know which one is which, all right? So I went through it. And it looks like there is this one missing. That is 100% of the screen, I believe, of the scoreboard. So it's got to put it on the top. So mine is missing. Is it this one I done? It's kind of confusing. I don't understand. Perhaps it's the way I format it, because I don't see anything wrong. As soon as I change that one and I do this, and it works. So yeah, something I done wrong in the CSS. I'm not that good in CSS, to be honest. So anyway, without any wasting time here, because It's well over it's about 2 hours this video. And as you can see now, when I do this, it automatically resizes to 100%. And yeah, now the speed of that's the only problem now. I don't really like it. If I go here and I go on the speed of the what is the speed of the actual ball? I think I put 100 somewhere. Let me have a look something here. Okay. So move the ball, collision, move the paddles. Ball was the bound. Collision there. Ball speed, canvas width 200. But it's up to you know, if you want to move with the speed of the actual with the ball anyway. For a kid, I think this is okay, but for adults, perhaps you want a little bit faster. But I think this is the more or less the speed I remember when the game. I used to play that game about 50 years ago. So yeah. So yeah, guys. So you find all the information in the description below. The link for the GitHub, where you can actually download it for free and you do whatever you want to do it. So yeah, it is yours, whatever. So thanks, guys, for joining me for this, I don't know, boring video. But hey, I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want to. Next time, perhaps we're going to talk about servers. All right, so here we go. And I'll see you next time, guys.